link will be in the description. Scroll down until you find this section. See the font name? Well then, click it. Now save it wherever your goofy ass wants to put it at. Now let's wait for it to download. After it has been downloaded, close your browser and open File Explorer. Find the location where you had put in the zip file. Now, right-click on it and click on Extract All. Wait for it to extract. After it's done, click on the first file. Then scroll all the way down and click the last file while holding Shift. Then right-click on any of them. And now, click on Install. Close anything that pops up. And yeah, you're done. Nothing to do here. And if this was helpful, then maybe subscribe.